Welcome to watch the introduction video of the use and efficacy of FC02 Ultrasonic Facial Cleansing Brush. There are totally 3 gears for choose. Increase 1 gear every time you press. Choose your favorite gear to use. The brush is soft, suitable for multiple skin problems. Demonstration of installation and disassembly brush head. Put in the hexagonal position and insert. Hold the body and pull out the brush head. Charging demonstration. Charging cable to connect with the charging port. Test. You can observe the power uniformly through water ripples. Cleaning demonstration. Take out the brush head and clean it. After use, clean the brush head with water and install it after drying. Thank you for watching the introduction video of the use and efficacy of FC02 Ultrasonic Facial Cleansing Brush.